this project with the magic ring. Just make it as you wish. Right now, chain 1 to secure the magic ring. Now 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 single crochets on this magic ring. Now I'll pull the yarn and make this hole small. Now going to make a slip stitch on the first single crochet. Okay. Now chain 1 and start on the first single crochet, 1, and 1 more single crochet on the same stitch. Now I'm going to secure this, so I'm going to use that on the back side of the stitch. Now 1, 2 on the second stitch. On the third stitch also 2 double crochets. Now the total double crochet is 12. Eleven and 12 stitches on this round. Now slip stitch on the first single crochet. So, right, round number 2 completed. Now round number 3, chain 1 and 1 single crochet on the same stitch. Right, and on the second stitch I'm going to have 2 single crochet, 1 and 2. On the third stitch 1 single crochet, fourth stitch 2 single crochet. Continue this. It's going to be 18 single crochets. Here I started with 1 single crochet, so here ending up with 2 single crochets. Sorry, 18th stitch this is. Okay, now slip stitch on the first single crochet. Move on to row number 4, chain 1, single crochet on the same stitch, another single crochet on another stitch, and 2 single crochet on the third stitch. Increase. Now 1 single crochet, 4th stitch, 5th stitch 1 single crochet, 7th stitch 2 single crochets. Okay, 1 single crochet, 1 single crochet, and 2 single crochet. Continue this. 23 and 24 stitches. Okay, now slip stitch onto this stitch. Okay, now chain 1 and 1 single crochet on the next first stitch, 1 single crochet second stitch. Now on the third stitch also 1 single crochet. Now on the fourth stitch I'm going to have 2 single crochet increase. Now 1, 2, 3 single crochets. Here on the fourth stitch 2 single crochet increase. 1, 2, 3, and increase here. Total number of 30 stitches. 29 and 1 slip stitch on the first single crochet. Okay, now 1 2 3 4 5 chains, and skip this very first chain. On the second chain, 1 single crochet. On the third chain, 1 double crochet. On the fourth chain, I'm going to make another triple crochet. 2 and 3. Now repeat 4 times, 1 2 3 times, and make the 4th crochet. 1 2 3 4. Okay, now skip 1 2 3 4 stitches. On the 5th stitch, I'm going to make 1 slip stitch. Okay, now another slip stitch on the 6th stitch, and make 1 2 3 4 5 chains, and on the first stitch 1 single crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 triple crochet, and that's the last stitch 4 times. Repeat 1 2 3 times, and make a stitch here. 3 and 4 times. Right? Now 1 2 3 4 stitches. Skip 4 stitches. On the 5th stitch, 1 slip stitch. Now it's going to be like this. Now cut this yarn, secure it, and make 1 more circle and come back to you. Now I have made 2 ones, right? On the first one only I made the ears, not for this. So now I'm going to fix this off. Here make a single crochet on each stitches. Okay, here 1 stitch here, and on this stitch here 1 single crochet on this. Back stitch 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 stitches after this ears. Now I am going to attach this into it. wrap it through this. We are now on this. Going to the next stitch. Make a single crochet on each stitch. 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches. Okay. 6, 7, 8 stitches. Okay, now the next 8 stitches around this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 stitch on the last one. Okay, 8 stitch and slip stitch on this joining where we started. Okay, now cut this yarn and secure it.